In the quiet town of Njurunda, Sweden, nestled among pine forests and the lingering snow of early spring, a remarkable automotive discovery was recently made, an original 1966 Volkswagen Beetle, long forgotten, tucked away in a disused barn. What makes this find particularly compelling is not just the car's age or design, but the pristine condition in which it was discovered, offering a direct portal to a bygone era and evoking the deep emotional connection many have with the iconic, people's car. The Volkswagen Beetle, especially models from the 1960s, holds a special place in automotive history. Designed initially in the 1930s and reaching its global cultural peak in the decades that followed, the Beetle became a symbol of affordability, practicality, and simplicity. Its rounded shape, modest engine, and durable build captured the hearts of millions. The 1966 model, in particular, marked an important transitional point in the Beetle's evolution, featuring subtle improvements like a 1,300cc engine, upgraded electrics, and refined interior touches that made it both more powerful and comfortable than its predecessors. The story of the Njurunda Beetle begins with a local family whose patriarch, a schoolteacher named Leonard, had bought the car brand new in 1966. According to old family photos and preserved registration documents found in the glove compartment, Leonard cherished the car, using it for weekend drives along the coastal roads of Sundsvall and yearly summer trips to Stockholm. After his passing in the early 1980s, the Beetle was parked in the family barn, covered with a tarp and gradually forgotten as generations moved on and the world changed. When the current property owners decided to renovate the barn this spring, they stumbled upon the vehicle, its distinct silhouette barely visible beneath a thick layer of dust and hay. What they uncovered was nothing short of extraordinary. The car's original sea blue paint had retained much of its luster, protected from harsh elements. The chrome bumpers, though dulled with time, showed no significant rust. Even the interior, lined with original vinyl seats and Bakelite knobs, remained largely intact. The tires, flat from decades of disuse, were still the original make, a testament to the quality of 1960s German engineering. Automotive historians and enthusiasts quickly took interest in the discovery. Word spread on social media, and soon local collectors and restoration experts arrived to inspect the vehicle. What they found was a car that had been preserved in near museum quality condition, something rarely encountered in northern climates where salt and snow usually take a toll on vintage vehicles. The engine, a 1.3-liter air-cooled flat-4, needed only minor work to be brought back to life. After a careful cleaning and oil change, and with a new battery installed, the Beetle started with its familiar chug, a mechanical heartbeat from 6 decades ago, still strong and steady. The odometer showed just over 87,000 kilometers, further confirming that this vehicle had seen limited use and had been carefully maintained during its active years. This discovery is more than just a rare car find, it is a cultural moment. The Volkswagen Beetle is more than metal and mechanics, it is a piece of living history. It connects us to the post-war optimism of the 1960s, the democratization of car ownership, and the spirit of freedom and travel. In Sweden, as in many countries, the Beetle was a gateway to exploration and self-expression. Many who grew up in that era have stories of piling into the backseat with siblings, windows down, and the steady hum of the engine carrying them toward the coast or the mountains. Plans are now underway to display the car in a regional museum, with the possibility of temporary exhibits across Europe. Restoration will be kept minimal to preserve its authenticity, and efforts are being made to track down surviving family members who might share more about Leonard and the car's early adventures. The 1966 Volkswagen Beetle found in Njurunda is more than just a vehicle. It is a time capsule, a relic of resilience, love, and the enduring charm of a design that has stood the test of time. In a world increasingly dominated by sleek electric vehicles and digital dashboards, this little blue Beetle is a reminder of the simple joys of motoring, and how sometimes, the past has a way of finding its way back to us in the most unexpected and beautiful forms.